Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your computer clock and time zone are exact, because SSL relies on certificates tied to time. Next, update Chrome immediately. Open menu, go to Help about Google Chrome. An outdated browser rejects newer certificates. Once done, restart your router and the computer to clear cached network issues and do a quick page reload. These quick checks fix many connection errors before deeper steps. Now you dig into network and certificate details. Clear Chrome cache and cookies using a short range like 0 to 24 hours. This removes stale HSDS or redirect data. Disable VPN, proxy, or antivirus temporarily because they can intercept SSL and present invalid certs. Click the padlock in the address bar, view the certificate, and note the issuer and expiry date to confirm it's valid. If the certificate is missing or self-signed, that explains the secure connection refusal. Finish by applying final fixes. Reset Chrome settings to defaults to remove problematic flags or extensions. Your bookmarks and passwords stay intact if synced. Flush DNS using ipconfig/flushtons, Windows, or the platform equivalent, then restart the network adapter to clear cached domain records. Make sure to retry the site. If that fails, test with a different browser or fully reinstall Chrome. Troubleshooting tip: if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.